Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the rail type. Use a 35mm TS35 DIN rail for these blocks, because fit ensures secure mechanical and electrical contact. Next, make sure power is off and you've labeled conductors so you won't mix circuits later. Strip wires to the recommended length, usually about 8-10 mm, and keep ferrules ready for stranded conductors to improve connection reliability. Once done, clip the terminal block onto the rail at a slight angle and rotate until it snaps, making sure alignment is flush. You now wire the blocks. Insert each conductor fully into its port to avoid loose contact and tighten screws to the manufacturer's torque spec to prevent damage or heating. If you have stranded wire, crimp ferrules first to improve clamping. Solid wire can go directly in. Once wired, add jumpers or commoning bars to share potentials where necessary, and check terminal numbering against your diagram so circuits remain organized. Make sure there's no exposed copper and that each screw is secure. You finish by restoring power and testing continuity and expected voltages at each terminal. This confirms correct wiring and polarity. Once under load, monitor for abnormal heating. If a terminal gets warm, power down and retorque the screw or replace the block. Thermal rise often means a loose connection. If a circuit fails, isolate that section, recheck terminal ID and wiring order, and swap the suspected block to confirm whether the issue is mechanical or wiring related. That single recheck fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.